Hey guys, so this is kind of a follow-up to my LIFEPROOF review for the DROID Turbo. I just wanted to do a little demo of the big difference with the cover on and cover off as far as sound quality goes. Now I've had a couple people comment that they have this cover and they don't notice any difference in sound quality. Maybe you just forgot how good the phone sounded before you put it on, but I think it's a pretty dramatic difference. Hopefully the camera picks it up. I think it's a little bit more distinct in real life than it is on video, but I think this will still show the difference. So right now I have the bottom unsnapped just so it's easier to get open, but you'll still get the idea. If anything, I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt because it's not completely sealed up. So let me just start this song. Okay, so it's audible. I mean, you can hear it. But listen what happens if I open up the case just a little bit. I mean, that's a pretty big difference. And that is full volume. So that's a pretty big difference. I mean, you can hear it, but the sound quality is horrible. It's just, I mean, like I said, in real life it's probably a lot worse than you're hearing on the camera, but that's a pretty big difference. Not only is it quieter, but the actual film on the front vibrates, so you can hear that when you're trying to listen to music. So I think that's horrible. And it's really bad when you're trying to make a call. So that's completely sealed in. It's audible, but it's not acceptable. That's horrible. They didn't put anything for the sound to come out through, so it's just got to kind of come through the case. They put holes for everything else. Why couldn't they just put a hole for the goddamn speakers at the top? It's stupid.